Ever need to remove the background from an image before engraving? Maybe you want a clean cutout of a person, a product, or a logo, without all the stuff behind it. That's exactly what background removal does. It uses AI to separate your subject from the background and gives you a clean, transparent cutout. Here's how it works. Head to Toolset in the main menu and search for Background Removal. Next, upload the image you want to work with. Once it's loaded, you'll see a model drop-down on the right. There are 4 models to choose from: Standard, Soft Edge, Precision, and Clean Cut. Each one handles different types of images. Don't worry too much about picking the right one, though. If the result doesn't look quite right, just try a different model. Results can vary from image to image. Once you've picked your model, hit Preview to see the result. If it looks good, click Apply. Then grab your download and you've got a clean cutout ready to go. And by the way, there's no resolution limit here. You get the full quality output, even on the free plan. Go give it a try at imag-r.com, completely free.